Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. Today in this video we will come to know that how can we find our all about the system information in a single command. Just go to the command prompt and run as system administrative privilege. Then your command prompt opened. Here you have to write system info. Just wait and see. Then press enter. You can get the all about your system information. You see, this is the computer name and OS name. Here Windows 7 Ultimate, then version 6.1, and here is the original installation date of the OS and boot time when you start your computer. All about this you see. And this is the processor type, one processor, 64-bit family processor, then megahertz speed, everything is here, you can find it. And this is the physical memory which is attached to your system, that is 4086 MB, that means 4 GB. And this is the Ethernet card details, which is called as network card interface. This is the Realtek, and there is also an wireless card details. Here you can find everything, and there is also an graphical representation which have been given. You see and go through your system details. Thanks guys, as you watch my video.